Let us look at another question for the preparation of the BRS. And the question goes like this. On 31st December 2020, the cash book of Mr. PQRS showed a bank balance of 32,000. A comparison of cash book with the bank book showed the following differences, and they've given us around 3 transactions. So based on these 3 transactions, we will have to prepare the BRS. Now, in this case, since they have given us the bank balance as per cash book, we are expected to calculate the bank balance as per passbook. So that is what is expected from us. And then we have 3 transactions. Now let's look at the transactions one by one. The first one says a check of 2,000 checks of 2,500. 500 were issued to vendors in December and encashed in 2020. So what has happened over here is you had issued 2 checks in December, but um, but these checks were encashed only in January 2020. Okay, so this will which set would this fall into? Okay, so this will fall into which set? So this will fall into set one. Set one has to be added. Check worth rupees 2,000 and 1,500 were deposited in bank in December, but it was cleared only in 2020. So someone gave you 2 checks. One was worth 2,500, the other one was worth 1,500. You deposited both these checks in December, but it was cleared only in Jan. Then finally, you have bank has cleared 150 as has charged 150 as transaction charges. This is second set. So with that note, let's go about with the preparation of these BRS. Okay, let's focus on the second question. Second question, we've been given bank balance as per cash book, and according to the question, the bank balance as per cash book is 32,000. Okay, this is 32,000. Now we have to, there are some transactions that we have to add, there are some transactions that we have to subtract. So which are the transactions that we have to add and subtract? So checks issued but not presented. So like this, we have 2 checks, okay, and the checks, the amounts are worth 500 and 1,500. Okay. Then we have some set of transactions that we have to subtract. So what are the transactions that we have to subtract? Checks deposited but not cleared. Not cleared. So here we have 2 checks like this. So one is worth 2,500 and the other is worth 1,500. Then what else do we have? Then we have one last transaction, which is bank charges. So how much is bank charges? Bank charges is 150. Bank charges is 150. So let's work out the math. This is worth 2,000. So this is completed. Then this together is worth 4,150. So that is also completed. Then we have bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per passbook. So let's work out the calculation. 32,000 plus 2,000. So that is 32,000 plus 2,000 minus 4,150. So that is 29,850. So what is the significance of 29,850? 29,850 is the bank balance as per passbook. So with that, we have completed the preparation of the BRS for this particular question.